Have you ever wondered why some memories stick while others fade away? Why can we recall the first few and last few items on a grocery list, but struggle with the middle? Well, in 1966, two researchers named Glanzer and Cunitz set out to explore these questions, and their findings have significantly shaped our understanding of memory. Picture this: you're one of 240 Army enlisted men randomly assigned to one of two groups. You're not sure what to expect. Then a recording begins to play, enunciating 20 monosyllabic words, one per second. If you're in the first group, as soon as the list ends, you're asked to recall as many words as you can. If you're in the second group, however, you're given a little task before you're asked to recall the words, counting backwards from a predetermined number for 30 seconds. What Glanzer and Cunitz found was fascinating. The men who were asked to recall the words immediately were more likely to remember the last words on the list, while those who had a delay were more likely to forget these words. This pattern, known as the serial position effect, suggests that our memory is divided into two parts, short-term and long-term. This is the essence of the multi-store memory model proposed by Atkinson and Shiffrin in 1968. Imagine memory as a storehouse with three separate compartments: the short-term memory, the long-term memory, and the sensory memory. Sensory memory holds the raw data from our senses, short-term memory works as a temporary storage, and long-term memory is where information gets permanently stored. The primacy effect and the recency effect, terms coined from this study, refer to our tendency to remember the first and last items in a series better than those in the middle. They provide evidence for the separate existence of short-term and long-term memory stores. In conclusion, the multi-store memory model has given us a basic framework to understand memory processes. Its simplicity, though criticized by some, has laid the necessary groundwork for more complex theories that have since emerged. Despite its limitations, such as its linear nature and the exclusion of certain memory types, this model remains a milestone in the field of psychology. The research by Glanzer and Cunitz underscores the model's relevance, showing us how the distinct memory stores operate. It reminds us that memory is not a single unified process, but a complex interplay of different systems. This understanding has enriched our comprehension of sensory memory, including both echoic and visual memory. As we continue to explore the depths of the human mind, models like these help us navigate the intricate maze that is our memory. So, the next time you find yourself struggling to remember the middle items on your grocery list, know that it's not just you. It's how our memory works.